What is going on, you guys? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. Guys, so this is the last stock that I'm breaking down until Monday morning. This is ticker symbol PLTR. If you guys haven't seen my previous videos from today, please go check those out. They will help you for Monday morning, if not for this weekend. So I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily time frame. This allows us to apply multiple time frame analysis, helps us find our support and resistance line, our entries, and all that good stuff that we need to further predict technical analysis. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this bottom line represents our major support line. We can see that every time we come in this area, we tend to bounce or react in this area. We have a candlestick here, over here, over here, and then ultimately we have about 2 or 3 more over here. So this is a heavily tested area. Up here is our major resistance line. You can see that every time we come up in this area, we tend to get rejected. We see we got rejected here and here. Ultimately, when we broke above this resistance, once you break above resistance, it'll work as a floor on the opposite side. And as you can see, we came up, bounced off this level, kind of just broke below this. We came back up. We tried to create a breakout to come back through it, but ultimately we got rejected back down to our support level. So let's go to where we're at right now. So we closed almost 3% on Friday. So let's see where we're at. We're under, or actually we're above this trend line, so that's a good sign. On the RSI, we can see that we're trying to create this correction here. Alternatively, the best option that I can see as of right now, if you're going to be day trading or swing trading this, I would have your stop loss maybe below the 22-cent area, because we do have a double bottom retest and it wasn't a failure. So that shows that buyers are trying to step up and create this upward trend. But as of right now, like I said, it would be kind of aggressive to get in right now. Like previously, like I said, if you had watched my previous video, the better option would have been down here at 21. And so basically you would have caught that bounce. Doesn't mean that it's over. We can still continue this upward trend. The only problem is that we have all this prior minor resistance to the left. So we always look left to get prior information or prior price action movement. So this does help a lot. So alternatively, if you're going to be the aggressive trader and get into this stock, have your stop loss below the 22.42 or the 22.50 cent area. So if it does break below that, you can wait for the better entry and that be back down here at this major support level at 21.02. So if you're going to be a safer trader, the thing that I would want to see is break above this 26 cent area, come back down and retest this on this minor support level. And then your third option would be to wait until we break above this major resistance for us to come up and come back down and retest on that 30 level, have your stop loss below that, and then obviously your first target would be back up here. But if you are going to be that aggressive trader and get in down here up the 23.41 where we closed at, remember, like I said, have your stop loss below these 2 candlesticks over here. Have your first target at this minor resistance at the 25.43. That'd be a great first target. And then your second target would be at the highest previous point, would be back up here at the $30.89. So like I said, if you did miss the bounce, you still can't get in, because we are trying to create this upward trend. But just keep in mind, we do have this minor resistance in this area, and it would be kind of aggressive since we don't have a further confirmation that we are in upward trend. We are right in the beginning of different market cycles. So like I said, just be careful. Have your stop loss set or a mental stop loss. If you're going to get into any stock, you need to have a trading plan, that being your entry, your stop loss, and then your target. You need to have at least all 3 of those. If you're getting into that or getting into a stock without having those 3 things already set in mind, you're basically gambling. And I mean, if you want to trade that way, that's fine, but we don't do that here at Wall Street Traders, you guys. We apply technical analysis and we find the best entries to get in, okay? There's no point of having FOMO. The fear of missing out will hurt you in the end. So I hope this helped you guys. If it did, please hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to check out my previous videos from today. It can be applied for Monday or this weekend. So other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend and have a beautiful day.